A train starting from rest attains, so here the rest word is important, attains a velocity of 72 km per hour in 5 minutes. So this is in minutes, this is kilometer per hour. You need to make a mental note of that units are not the same. Assuming that the acceleration is uniform, find the acceleration and the distance traveled by the train for attaining this velocity. Very first thing is draw a diagram. So we have an initial point, you have final point, connecting that a straight line. This is the path of the train. This is starting with rest. That would make the initial velocity as, yes, 0 meter per second. The final velocity happens to be 7 by 2, not 7 by 2, sorry, 72 kilometer per hour, and the time happened to be 5 minutes. So let's talk about the given. So we have u, which is a simple number, 0 meter per second. Then we have v, which is 72 kilometer per hour. This we need to convert it to meter per second. So to do that, we need to talk about kilometer being equated to 1000 meters and 1 hour being equated to 16 to 60 seconds. So on substituting over here, so v will be equal to 72 into 1000 by 16 to 60 meter per second. So now we have a single zero, single zero, single zero, single zero, and we can cancel 72 and 10, and okay, we can do this 72 into 10 by 6 into 6. So clearly 6 can divide 72, that will be 12, and 6 again can divide, and we have 20 meter per second, right? So now we have the time, which is 5 minutes. That would be equal to 5 into 60 seconds. Now we have to decide on what is that we need to find and what formula will suit that. So A and S are the unknowns. So keep these two in mind and keep all of this, whatever is given, and try to figure out what formulas or a formula we can use. Yes, we can start off with V is equal to U plus AT to find out A. So we have V, that is 20, which is equal to U plus A into 50 into 5 into 6. So we'll divide with 5 into 60, not 6, sorry, 60. So we basically end up with 1s are 3s. See, that's the point of not calculating. It makes things a lot easier. 1 by 15 meter per second square is your acceleration. This is 1s, this is 1s. Now next thing is to find the distance traveled. Now we know acceleration also. Think about what formula we can use. What I generally do is, in your exam, say you're not able to figure out, write both the formulas. And V square, have a look at it. I wrote this first. So we know U, this is 0, that's good. We know A and T, I think this will work out. I'll just go with this. So S is equal to 0 plus half into acceleration is 1 by 15, and the time is 5 into 60 into 5 into 60. Remember, we are squaring the time, right? So 15, oh, this is green again. 15 4s are 4 2s are. So this is 10, 50, or this is 10 into 300, that is 3000 kilometer. No, that would be a lot in 5 minutes. 3000 meters. And these are your answers.